So after we have reviewed all of our information and we've done our oblique drawing practice and we've done our isometric drawing practice by doing some sketching, we have a chance now to take care of our assignments. So if you go back to the back of the course pack and you go take a look at the heavy paper drawing assignments, we're going to see what we have to work with, and we can talk about how to accomplish what we're trying to do here. So here's drawing 4.1. Drawing 4.1 involves you making a Cavalier oblique drawing. And Cavalier oblique, you might remember, is depth 100%, full depth, right? So from the front to the back, whatever that is, we're going to draw it at full size. So you see this shape here? Looks like a letter H, doesn't it? It's a little bit higher on the left than it is on the right, but basically it's flat along the bottom. And it's got a little notch here and a little notch over there. Here's our top view, here's our side view. What we want to do is we want to recreate what we see. So we're talking about oblique drawing. What are we going to do? Well, we're going to go down to the bottom of the page, and do you see where it says Cavalier oblique? Start right there on that corner. That will be the bottom left corner of the front view. And what you're going to do, of course, to create an oblique drawing is you're going to redraw this shape just the exact size that it is down here. Okay, so now how can you get the exact size the same? Well, a couple of options. You can measure it with your scale and work your way around, or you could use your dividers, right? Set the point of your dividers on each end, and then you'll know how far over to go as you were drawing the shape out. Okay, but basically when we're done, what we're going to have is a front view for our Cavalier oblique, and then you are going to do the magic that turns a flat front view into an oblique drawing. And again, because it's Cavalier oblique, you'll be going full depth from the front to the back. Next assignment is drawing 4.2. On drawing 4.2, similar idea. You're going to draw an oblique drawing using this multi-view drawing as your guide. That means use the sizes you see here. However tall it is here, well, that's the height. However wide it is here, well, that's the width. And however deep it is from the front to the back, well, that's the depth. Now, understand that this is a cabinet oblique drawing. What does that mean? Well, it means you have to go full height, full width, half depth. Right? We're going to cut the depth in half. So, what do we do? Well, this corner down here, the bottom left corner of the front view, will be right here, where I'm giving you that little starting point to work off of, okay? So draw the front view, including the angle, and then you do the magic to turn that front view into an oblique drawing in Cavalier and cabinet style.